Believe me when I say that this is one of the best things I've ever ate in my life. Warm up some oil in a pan and when hot, add onions, garlic, cumin, turmeric, ginger and salt. Mix well. Then add tomatoes, tomato sauce, coriander, water, chili flakes and cashew nuts. Add more water if needed. Cover and let it simmer for 10 minutes until the cashew nuts are soft. Place the content of the pan in a food processor and process to a cream. Using the same pan, melt the butter. Add cardamom, cinnamon and cream and let it cook for 5 minutes. Add now the blended sauce to the pan, the vegan cheese, and let it melt. Serve with basmati rice and enjoy. This is so good!